Welcome to Elevate Your Style. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to take your outfits from NEA to wow? Today, I'm showing you how to elevate your daily style with wow. Simple tricks that will have you feeling confident and looking amazing every day. Let's dive in. I'm sloppy, dirty boy. When power of coloring. Tip hash 1. Let's talk color. A splash of color can totally transform your outfit. You don't need to wear a rainbow, just add a pop of color to stand out. Try pairing neutral outfits with vibrant accessories or clothing. Simple combinations, but it changes everything. Yar, fit. The key to effortless styling. Tip hash 2. Fit is everything. It doesn't matter how trendy your clothes are, if they don't fit well, they won't look good. Fit your clothes to your body shape for that perfect polished look. Tailored clothes make all the difference, so never underestimate the power of a well-fitted outfit. No Hiring. The secret to style. Depth thing. Tip hash 3. Master the art of layering. Layering is the perfect way to give your outfit depth and dimension. A blazer, jacket, or vest over a simple outfit can add texture and style. You don't need to pile on the layers. Just choose sleek pieces that complement each other. New accessories. The finishing touch. Tip hash 4. Accessories make all the difference. Small details like watches, necklaces, and bags are the perfect way to elevate any outfit. The key is balance. Choose one bold accessory, like a statement necklace or bag, to draw attention without overdoing it. What? New on luxurious. The game changer name. Tip hash 5. Shoes. Ooh, shoes are the unsung heroes of any outfit. A great pair of boots or sleek sneakers can turn a basic look into something chic. Make sure your shoes are clean and in good condition. Trust me, they'll take your outfit to the next level. When confidence, your ultimate accessory. Tip hash 6. Confidence is key. No matter what you're wearing, if you're not owning it, it won't shine. Walk into any room like you've got it all figured out. When you feel good in what you're wearing, you'll radiate confidence and instantly look more stylish. Noon, sound, wrap up. Elevate your style, elevate your confidence. One instant, and that's it. Simple tips, powerful results. Remember, it's not about buying new clothes. It's about wearing what you have with confidence and creativity. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more style inspiration. Stay stylish, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video. Namni.